Hey, Will here from PPC Coach. So, do you want to know how to make $100 profit per day selling super popular gifts on your own online store? Well, Christmas is coming fast, and I can't guarantee that you'll hit that number, but we've done it for years, and we can certainly help you get there. So, if you're interested in learning more, click the register now button there. Well, actually, it's going to be a link in the description of this video, but you'll be taken to a page that looks just like this. And on this live training, I'm going to cover three things. Number one is, of course, what to sell. There are three very, very hot products right now that you have to sell as Christmas gifts, and that will help you hit that $100 per day profit, not revenue. I'm going to spill all the beans for you. Second thing I'm going to cover is how to sell them. You need more than just running some paid ads to your products to make this work. In fact, there's something even more important than paid ads that you simply have to do. So if you've been running Facebook ads to print-on-demand products and it's not really working, we can fix that for you. The third thing I'm going to cover on the live training is how to ensure your success. So you can certainly try all this on your own. You can try and reverse engineer everybody. It's going to be the hard road. Or you can take the easy road and get some help. Either way, click the link, register your spot, hop on the webinar. If you can't make it, it's going to be Thursday, September 26th at 11 o'clock a.m. Eastern. I know that's kind of early for all of you on the West Coast, but that's the best time for me to do it. So register your spot. I'll see you on there, and I can't wait to show you all these goodies that I have to make this fourth quarter the absolute best possible for you. We'll see you very, very soon. Have a great day.